Samo, hello. Paseo, hi. Tarantado ka pa. Yung ba ginagawa ko? Security, right? That's why I want to stay there. And to how much a night was it cost? It's the 15K. It's you check in 3 p.m. Check out is 12 a.m. Ay, 12 p.m. Thank you, Alto. Thank you. Thank you so much. 3 p.m. check in. Then the out is 12 p.m. Thank you, Alto. Thank you. Sa Timos, it's not expensive, the 15 or expensive for the food. Mr. Jimmy, thank you so much. Thank you, Alto. Chocolate, hello. RB, thank you so much. Thank you, Alto. Thank you very much. 82. Wait. I will put 8. Magdadasal ako. Magdadasal ako na sa akin. Kukuha ko. Putra, hello. Hi, Putra. Maruso, hello. Char, hello. Edski, where are you from? Edski, where are